Hello and welcome to Arunz Creation. In this video I am going to learn about how to edit this image to this level. So firstly we have to decide which type of mode we want in the image. So for this image I want full detail everywhere in the image. So I will start from here. So go to the develop module firstly. If you press I on the keyboard, you can get the detail of the image in the Lightroom. So press I on the keyboard, then this image is taken shutter speed 1/160 f5.6 ISO 100 and I have used 16mm lens. Now you can press I so that I can hide this. So firstly I will start from lens correction. So it is very mandatory part in the Lightroom. So if you're taking image with any camera, there are few things you have to remove. Firstly, one of the thing is chromatic aberration. If you're getting the chromatic aberration in the image, so simply press mark button and enable profile correction. Now you can see some vignetting has been removed. So I want detail in the black part of this image. So I will boost up the shadows so that I can get detail in the shadows, and I want to reduce the highlights so that I can get the detail in the highlights also. Okay, so this is the thing I want, and moreover in the blue, the sky is blue. I want more blue in the sky part, so I will separately increase the saturation of blue so that I can get more and more blue in the sky. That's fine. And moreover, in this bottom part I want a very green color, so I will use this yellow hue and drag this slider to the right side. Now you can see I'm getting more and more green in the image. Okay, that's fine. So last thing I want to do, I want to use this white slider so that I can get more and more white contrast in the image. Now you can see a very big difference. If you press backslash on the keyboard along with enter key, then you can see this is before and this is after. And here also you can press Y, then this is before and this is after. On the backside of this person you can see I want to remove this, so right click, then edit in Photoshop. Now I will create a new copy by pressing Ctrl J on the keyboard, and I will take a selection with this tool, with this lasso tool. Select this lasso tool and grab a rough selection around this. Now go to edit, then fill. In the fill you will get content aware. By using this content aware I can remove this person, so directly press this button. Okay, now you can see very clean image we are getting now. If you want to clone it, this portion, you can even clone it by pressing stamp tool. Again make a new layer, and the stamp tool I want to use all layers. Now take a selection from here. You can increase the size of this stamp tool by pressing bracket along with the enter key in the keyboard, and press Alt so that I can grab a selection, and I want to put it here. One thing you can do before doing this step, again take a selection. So I will try to correct it by content aware so that I can try it first out. Okay, now I think this is more better. Again take a selection, Control C, Control X on the keyboard and Control V. We are getting a new. So I want exactly here. Now do one thing, make a new empty layer, stem tool. Again, I want this sky part here, so take a selection here. Okay, now active this layer. Again, put a mask on this layer. Now take a brush. Now this time I want black color, having a soft brush, opacity 100, smoothness 0. Now you can see I have cloned it. Very easily I have cloned it. Again, go to adjustment layer, then brightness, then right click on this and go to clipping, so that I want to effect of this layer, of this adjustment layer to this layer only. Again, I want to use brightness so that I can get more black. Okay, right. So if you press cross on the keyboard, then this image will automatically save in the Lightroom. So again, press on this, and I want to save it. Yes, I want to save it. Now you can see the image has been uploaded in the Lightroom again. So in this way you can edit in the Lightroom for your routine photographs, as well as your fashion photograph, as well as your landscape, whatever it may be, anything photograph you can edit in the Lightroom. So thank you friends, keep watching Arunz Creation. You can subscribe my button so that you can get more and more update for Arunz Creation. Thank you friends, keep watching Arunz Creation.